Hello, this is my Genius Hour project. My essential question is, how have our thoughts and knowledge about the sport changed to this day? Have you ever wondered how people are influenced around the world? What about the ambassadors of basketball? Well, I am Adrian Stone, and I am here to talk to you about this project. This project, I have decided to dive deeper and learn more about my hobby. This has been an up and down journey, and I've learned a lot about myself. I went through ideas and came up to do a project about my passion, something that I knew a lot about. My reasoning for this project is to explain the sport of basketball and how it has progressed each year. I hope that this further educates people who want to become professional one day. I've always wanted to know more about the history of the sport. Dr. James Naismith was the creator of the sport. He has revolutionized the game and inspired many to play. Through my research, there are many leagues and associations such as the USA and NBA cares. These help out younger kids succeed in their passions. I, myself, have always been wanting to learn more and continue my growth. I decided to create an app for anyone to view the ambassadors and creator of the sport. I feel like this is what will work best, and I found myself to be efficient in my work time to do this final product. I had some trouble working with the technology and finding out how to make apps. My final project is complete and well constructed. Genius Hour was like a bumpy long road for me. A big success for me was talking to others and interviewing them. I am more of a reserved person, and I found this to be more beneficial in the long run. Getting information from more accounts helped me answer my essential question. A challenge was running the technology. I believe that many of us can benefit from trying harder and not giving up. Like I said, this is a journey. I did this in a span of many weeks and worked efficiently. I stood out and accepted the challenge. Do more, talk less. I've really noticed that throughout this 5-week project. I have found it to be a key part in making sure your work is diligent and professional. Choosing a project that was not hard for me because I wanted to dive deeper into my own hobby. This way I already have background knowledge. Like Walter said, all your dreams come true if you have the courage to pursue them. Genius Hour has been a road of success for me and allows you to explore more about you and expand your mindset. You can find more things about yourself. This is a great project and I hope you consider my project and further your interest in the sport. Thank you and have a wonderful rest of your day.